Hi! If you take appointments from all over the world, you will need to manage multiple time zones. This can sometimes be confusing, but don't worry, 10to8 has you covered. To get started, you'll need to make sure that you have the online phone location ticked under Setup Locations. This way, any appointment booked in your booking page will be booked in the customer's time zone. The customer can also use the drop-down menu to change the time zone on your booking page. If a customer books an appointment in a different time zone than your business, the appointment will be added to your calendar in your time zone, and the customer will receive the booking notifications and reminders showing their own time zone. You can also edit the time zone the customer is in from your end. To do this, simply click on Customers and change it here. You can find us at help@10to8.com. Bye now!